Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So, this is my gut video for the, what was this thing again? The Sargent SFIC lock. I've gotten a lot of questions about how it's pinned, what it looks like on the inside, and all that stuff. So, let's just get to it. I don't have a key for it, so I have to pick it open, and then do all the shim and the fun stuff like that. So, let's get to it. That is the Sargent SFIC, how it breaks down, and I'll bring you guys in closer and kind of zoom in on it a little bit. But that's how the pin stacks are. Like I said, here, let me get the camera to where it's not like leaning, right? Like I was explaining, every single one of them has a master wafer to it. So 3 and 4 are the only ones with double drivers, and that's going to be your shear line to hit in order to get it to unlock to remove out of whatever it's in. So that's going to be your that's going to be for your locking bar, right? So yeah, thanks to Keybeard and Mr. Inferno for all of the information that you guys helped me out with in the comments, and anybody else that was asking on kind of how this thing looks and all that. Hopefully this helps you guys out, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.